My name is Bill Weaver, second shift supervisor at Holloway. My job titles include come in and meet with the shift coordinator and other team leaders, find out what projects are at, so I can lead my second shift team to make stuff move forward. I'm married, I got 4 kids, 6 grandkids, 4 girls and 2 boys and 1 on the way. And I spend about every weekend with at least one of them. I did a little welding in high school, and I liked welding. And my first welding job was a factory job, and I liked it at first, but then I got real bored with it because I was in the same spot doing the same thing every day. And I wanted to get into something where I was doing more hands-on welding and fabricating. And I knew about the pharmaceutical industry was real popular, always growing, and I knew they did different things every day. What I liked about it was starting from scratch and nothing and building something or fabricating something and making it look like one piece. I started working at Holloway in 2018. I told them right away that I wanted to go to second shift because I'm not a morning person. And about a year later, they offered me the second shift supervisor position. It works out good for me now because my wife, she works from home and kids are all gone, so it works out great. Biggest struggle in my life was probably about 15 years ago. I had a bad car accident and caused a lot of head trauma. They self-induced a coma on me for like 2 weeks, I think. I had to learn to write and walk and everything again. Doctors told me that I probably need to change careers and probably go get a desk job or something a little more, not climbing heights or anything. So I did attempt that, but I am not accepting that at all. So I fought through it, and here I am. I'm still doing it. I probably looked up to my father like most young men do, the way he never gave up on any projects he ever started. Him and his brother spent a lot of time together working on whether it be cars or houses or for their mother. They never gave up, and he always tackled anything that was thrown at him. Probably took away a life lesson of never give up and never quit. The best thing about this company is their quality and as fast as they turn over tanks. And I've always heard that Holloway is the most excelling company out there and leader in everything. Their quality, I can't believe that anyone else could even hold a candle to them because their delivery dates are always hit, quality is always top shelf. It's phenomenal, I think. I would say I'm pretty proud of where I am today, right now with Holloway America. Pretty proud of my accomplishments. Just to be part of a team that is helping the world one tank at a time.